I'm Chef Jasper, back in the kitchen with another lightning fast recipe, perfect for the summer heat. All right, no cooking required for this one. First, we slice our watermelon. Arrange these gorgeous slices on a large platter. Make it look nice and inviting. You just salt the watermelon, just a little bit. Bring out that flavor. Next, slice up our creamy, fresh mozzarella ball. We're going to tuck these right in between the watermelon pieces. Look at that perfect little pockets of goodness. Now, scatter your fresh basil all over the top. Now, all you do is just tear them, leave them whole. Doesn't matter. Just get that fresh aroma going. Time for the drizzle. First, extra virgin olive oil. Drizzle that evenly over everything. And right after that, the balsamic glaze. This adds that perfect sweet and tangy finish. And finally, a little touch of sea salt to taste. That salt really wakes up all those fresh flavors. And there you have it, folks, my Jasper's watermelon caprese. It's vibrant, it's refreshing, and it's so simple, you'll be making it all summer long. Jasper's Kitchen is brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.